Hi guys, I'm Chef Julian and welcome in the galley of SV Rebi. One of my favorite seafoods is octopus, so today we're gonna make octopus spaghetti. One of our patrons has asked, what do we eat on board? Hi Rob! We're in the beautiful island of Sardinia, and here they love spearfishing. So me and Lies went out to shoot some octopus. So I caught a octopus and I freezed it in. And why did I freeze it in? So it gets tender. Here's the octopus. Put it in a bag. And now we're gonna defrost it and clean it for the rest. We need white wine, passata, parsley, pepperoncini, garlic, lemon, tomatoes, basil, onion, and of course spaghetti. And what we always have aboard is some fish stock, so we're gonna use that as well. Take the octopus, put an oyster knife in it and get the beak out. Here comes the beak. There we got it. So we're gonna use the slow cooker to stew our octopus so it gets really nice and tender. We're gonna let it on for 2.5 hours. So we're gonna put some white wine with our octopus. Then we're gonna put some laurier. We take 4 laurier leaves. We're gonna cut the lemon. Get a nice sharp knife. Some parsley, a little bit of fish stock, some water. We're gonna fill up the water just to close it up, just that it's nice and under. We're gonna put 2 pepperoncinis in and 3 cloves of garlic, and of course let's put some salt in. Close the lid and now we wait. So we're gonna make the sauce with garlic, onion, olive oil, passata and stock from the octopus. So we're gonna begin with chopping an onion. Leftovers from the onion go in the pan.
Feeling emotional, you want to talk about something?
Cutting onions on a boat. Take me to my happy place. Now we're gonna warm up the pan. So we have a boat carrot. It's not perfect anymore and we're gonna use it for the sauce. So the pan is on temperature. We're gonna put the olive oil and especially enough olive oil in. So we're gonna stir the onion, garlic and the both carrots till it's glassy. So we're gonna use half of the passata, the rest we keep in the fridge. Now we're gonna reduce the passata so it doesn't taste sour. We're gonna cook the spaghetti in a pan with enough salt. So the salt has reduced, so we're gonna put the fire out and wait for it till the octopus is ready. Always taste with your fingers. So now the time has come to cook the spaghetti. Everybody has spaghetti on board. Before we're gonna drain the pasta, I first wanna have some pasta water. That's holy gold. Yeah, perfecto.
So how do you know if it's ready or not?
You have to taste it. So the octopus is ready. It's dark outside now and we're gonna put some stock from the octopus in the sauce. Let's see if the octopus is ready. You want to taste? Here you go, baby. Oh, that's good, eh? With lots of flavors, because we've done it on a really low temperature. Getting more stuck in there. And reduce. All the flavors in the sauce. Cherry tomatoes. So trick up the chef. Put 2 plates on each other. Put them up. And cut the tomato. Perfectly sliced tomatoes in half.
Yeah.
So we divided the octopus in 2 sections. One we're gonna grill it, and one we're gonna put through the sauce. We're gonna cut this one up, and it goes in there. So you have all the flavor of the octopus in the sauce as well. Nice pieces, not too big, not too small. Well, on board there's always a problem. We don't have a grill pan, but we have this one, so we're gonna use this one instead. Better grill it, that's all. So the sauce is nice and thick now. It's not sour anymore, so we're gonna throw some tomatoes in. And now we're gonna cut some parsley. So the pan is warm, it's smoking, so we're gonna put some oil in and bake it. Just enough. So let's get this octopus in there. Bake it 2 minutes. Gonna put the pasta in the pan now. Of course we're gonna use a little bit of pasta water while we collect it and throw it inside. Now we can put the parsley in. Let's make it on flavor with salt and pepper. Let's get the plates out. We're gonna garnish it with a little bit of basil. Don't forget to get some olive oil on top. So here's a recipe with octopus that ain't that difficult. You can find the recipe in the description below. We're gonna eat now. Buon appetito from Sardinia. So Lies, tell me what you think.
Looking really good. Smelling really good.
It's a good dish, yeah?